Um, Today we are starting negative number 2. This is the second lesson on negative numbers. As I told in the lesson 1 about the negative numbers, we have to look carefully at the given picture and the information. If I just look at the given picture, it's given some temperatures in Arctic world and in nocturnal world and in oceanic world. So there are 3 temperatures given for 3 different worlds. In Arctic world, if it is -8, here is -8. In nocturnal world, it's -2. And on oceanic world, it's where is it? It's between 12 and 13. What is the middle of 12 and 13? What number comes between 12 and 14? Which number comes between 12 and 14? Just think about it and just write down here. Besides. So, question number 1A says, what is the temperature in each of the worlds? We have to write the name, Arctic world, temperature. We have to look at the temperature and then read it and then just write the answer. In Arctic world, it's -8. On nocturnal world, it's -2. And in oceanic world, it's between 12 and 14. Just think about it. Now, in question number 1B, it says, what is the difference in temperature between oceanic world and the nocturnal world? So we have to see oceanic world, which is 13, and nocturnal world, this is -2. So what's the difference between 13 and -2? So you have to think about it. -2, count forward from -2 all the way to 13. You have to see how many steps would be there if you start counting from -2 and you count on by 1 and reach on 13. Let's count. -2, you have to start from -2. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many steps you need to count on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's the difference between these two numbers? How far -2 is from 13? 15. So the answer is 15 for 1B. You can even use the number line to find the difference from -2 to 13. Let's go to next question. Okay. In question number think together, question number 1. What are the temperatures in other parts of the zoo? Here is a picture given about the Meerkat mansion. The temperature here is 5 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is how much? You have to just read the temperature on the picture and just write here the answer on yellow box. So the temperature here is, you have to see where is it. It's exactly here. It's 5 degrees. So just write here 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, just if you look at the bottom picture, the cold zone, the temperature here is between -6 and -4. What number comes between -6 and -4? What number comes in middle, in between? You have to figure out and write that number here. What number comes between -6 and -4? That is -5. So you have to write here -5. Let's go to next question. What temperatures are shown by the arrows? Now you have to use the number line to figure out what number comes on the mentioned place. If you see, this is this first number line is starting from -10, ending at +10. So -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, and -2. So what number comes here? -2. Okay. Now, if you look at question number 2b, -10, then -9, -8. What number comes here? -9, -8, then -7. So the answer here is -7. Question number 2c says -20, -19, -18, -17, and then negative. What number comes here? -16. I hope you understand. Okay, now we'll start the practice book, page number 59. This is the second lesson of negative numbers. Power Math book 4A, practice book 4A, page number 59. We need to know the negative numbers. So complete the number line. It's very easy if you know the counting beyond 0. This is, just see, -5. This number line starting from -5 to 5. So what comes before -5, and then -3, and then negative what, and then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is just 1, 2, 3. If you count backwards, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. You have to write here and here what number comes in this number line. If you look at question B, start from 0, 0, 5, 10. This is skip counting by 5. 0, 5, 10, and then 15. And if you count backwards from 0, -5, here comes -5, -10, -15, -20, -25, then -30. So like this, you have to count and write the answers. Let's look at question number 2A. Complete the thermometers and write the temperatures. The temperature is how many degrees Celsius on this? Okay, here we have to see how much temperature is mentioned here. Look here, we have to see here. This is counting by ones only. -0, -1, -2, and then what comes here? It's 1 degrees less than -2. This comes -3. So the answer will be here -3. Now in this question B, you have to see what comes here, because the thermometer is showing the temperature from the bottom all the way till here. So how much is this? We have to see. Let's read the readings on the thermometer. This is counting by tens because we can see 40 to 50, 50, 40, then 30, then 20, then 10 and 0 and -10 and -20. The answer here is -20. I hope you understand. Next question is completing the missing numbers. So this number line is starting from -6. Let's count how much is the ending point. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What comes here? 6. So you just have to write in the box 6. Question number 3b says -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Here comes 0. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What number comes here? You have to write here. This is the number 7. Okay, here we have to write this number. Let's count backwards from 0. Start counting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. sorry, from 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, -16, -17, -18, -19, and here comes -20. So you just have to write here -20. Okay, in this question number 4, write the new temperature after temperature change. Now in this question we have to see what temperature is showing on the thermometer and what will be the new temperature if it is changes. So the temperature drops by 5 degrees Celsius. Now right now the temperature is 3 degrees. So if it drops 5 degrees, let's see where it reaches. From here, from 3, let's count down 5 degrees because it drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we go 5 degrees down, the temperature will be -2, as you can see here. It is -2 here. So you will just write here in question number 4a, you will write here the number which you will reach, -2. Okay. Now look at question number 4b. The temperature then drops up, then goes up by 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, from -2 it goes up 7 degrees Celsius. So where it will reach? From -2, let's count with green color. I will count 1, 2, start from -2, count up 7 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will reach at 5 degrees. So the new temperature will be +5 degrees Celsius, which you will write here. I hope you understand. Okay, here is, we have to find the common error. Explain the mistake on each of the number lines. Let's see. This is -2, -1, -2, -3. Wrong. Actually, we know that -1 should be right after 0 on the left side. It should not start from -7. -7 should not be here. Here should be -1, right? And then -2, and then -3. So this is the mistake, that the number line after 0, -1 should be there in place of -7, and then -2, and then -3. So you have to explain here in your own words. Let's see the second question. This is 0 and then 1, 2, 3 and then negative. Here is the mistake. Another mistake is here. They have started writing the negative numbers on the right side. The negative numbers are always on the left side of 0 and the positive numbers are always right. Okay. This set of numbers should be here and the positive numbers should be on the right side. Remember students, always negative numbers are on the left side, negative numbers, and on the right side of 0 always comes the positive numbers. Okay, so if they are writing the negative numbers on the right side, it means this is a mistake. Okay, question number 6 says estimate the position of the letters on the number line. We just have to estimate. Okay, this is 15, -15 to +15. Okay, I will say if this is -10, -5, this is 0, 5, 10, and 15. Yes, I will write here -10, -5, and then 0, and then +5, +10, and +15. So we can just estimate where the arrow D is pointing. I think this would be maybe -9. Let's say this is -9. And where is this C? C is on -5. And B is on, where is B? B I think is in the middle of 10 and 15. Let's say it's 13 or maybe 12.5 So you can just write here in place of B. And what's the point D? Okay, A is 0. See, don't make this mistake. A is 0. A is 0. So D, here is the D. D is around, let's say it's -9. Not -9, it's -11. Maybe -11 or -12 or -11 or yeah, it will be -11. D will be -11 because you just have to make an estimate. Okay, just guess which is near to the correct answer. So this could be -11. A could be -11. B is, let's say B is 12 and C is -5. Okay, now this is the number line. Complete the number line in two different ways. Okay, -3, and I can say here -2, -1, 0, and 1. I can write here -4, -5. But another way, I can even skip count by 2. I can say -3 and then -1 and then 1 and then 3 and then 5. I skip counting by 2's. -3, -5, -7, like that. Okay. So we just have to complete in two different ways. That's it.